Welcome to another video on how to activate your Citigroup debit or credit card. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So to activate your Citigroup debit or credit card, you can follow these general steps. So the first step is to check your activation instruction. When you receive your Citigroup debit or credit card, it usually comes with a sticker or an insert that provides instruction on how to activate it. Look for any specific activation information provided. Next step is to activate through the Citigroup website. So visit the Citigroup website or the website mentioned on the activation instructions provided with your card. Look for a section related to the card activation. Well, you may need to create an online account or log into your existing account to complete the activation process. After that, you will likely be asked to provide some information for verification purposes. This information may include your card number, personal details, and possibly some security questions or last four digits of your social security number. Once you have provided the necessary information, follow the prompts on the website to complete the activation process. This may involve confirming your identity, agreeing to the terms and conditions, or setting up a PIN, which is your personal identification number for your card. And if you encounter any issues or prefer to activate your card over the phone, you can contact Citigroup's customer service. The contact information should be available on the card or the Citigroup website. A representative will guide you through the activation process. But remember that the specific activation process may vary depending on the type of Citigroup card you have and the region you are in. And it's always best to refer to the instructions provided with your card or contact Citigroup directly for accurate and up-to-date information. But that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.